You know, the sun only shines so many days in western Pennsylvania, and it ain't near all of them. So when we're in the field and we got crop right, the crop needs off that day. To be able to adjust and meet the conditions of the day, the AirFLEX is great. I'm Mike Oler. I farm Sandy Valley Farms in western Pennsylvania. We run about 1,100 acres of row crops, corn, beans. In Pennsylvania, we have to wait till the beans are dry to get a lot of dew. Well, the honeybee will start 2 hours earlier in the morning than the augerhead ever did. And then in the evening, when the dew starts to set, we don't run into trouble then. So we gain 2 hours in the morning and I gain hours in the evening. Is the difference between getting done and getting rained out. It's an amazing difference. It's huge. With our old augerhead, we run about 3.5 miles an hour. With the honeybee, we can run 6-7 miles an hour. There's no hang up. There's no slug feeding. I've just picked up so much productivity on the honeybee. I envy a lot of people who farm on the flat, but I don't farm the flat. The honeybee AirFLEX follows the ground better and has more range of motion within the cutter bar. I don't want to get some of the ponds. I want them all. It'll go down and cut those beans in those depressions and field topography that doesn't conform to flat. The more of them you get in the combine, the more of them you have a chance to put on the truck and see them go away. The Honeybee NXT has exceeded my expectations. I couldn't be more happy about it. It's why I would stand here in front of this camera and do this for you for a day. It's a common sense way to build a soybean header. They should all have been made that way.